Ready to break free from Zendrop and reclaim your Shopify store's full potential. First, navigate to the Apps section of your Shopify dashboard. It's usually on the left-hand side. Click on it. Locate the Zendrop app within your installed apps. Click the three dots next to Zendrop's name. This should open up a drop-down menu. Then select Delete. A confirmation window will pop up. Shopify wants to be sure you really want to do this. Read the information carefully. Make sure you understand what happens when you uninstall the app. It is super important to read this thoroughly. Shopify will now ask you for a reason for uninstalling. Choose the reason from the options, or add your reason in the text box provided. Asks to gather some information that would improve their services, so please leave a comment if you have time. Finally, click the Uninstall button to completely remove Zendrop from your Shopify store. This might take a few moments. And that's it. Zendrop should now be fully uninstalled from your Shopify store. Remember to check your store settings to make sure that Zendrop did not leave any residual code. This is a great way to maintain a well-oiled machine that is your Shopify store.